Students, today I am going to revise the chapter factorization for class 9, exercise 4.5. The book name is M.L. Agarwal. The book name is M.L. Agarwal book. Okay, M.L. Agarwal book. I am doing the exercise 4.5. See the question number 1. It is given like this: 8x cube plus y cube. Number 1, 8x cube plus y cube. See, 8x cube means 2x whole cube and y whole cube. You have to apply a cube plus b cube factorization formula. A cube plus b cube factorization formula is a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. Now open the bracket here, 2x plus y, this will be 4x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is the answer number 1, first part. I am doing the exercise 4.5. Applying the formula a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the answer of number 1, first part. This is the second part. Question given like this: 64x cube minus 125y cube. 125y cube. 64x cube means 4x whole cube. 4x whole cube minus this is 5y whole cube. Now you apply a cube minus b cube factorization formula. A cube minus b cube. The formula is a minus b whole into a square, that is 4x whole square plus ab, that is 4x into 5y plus 5y whole square. Now final answer is 4x minus 5y, and this will be 16x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. This is the answer of number 1. Second part, just to see, 64x cube means 4x whole cube, 125y cube means 5y whole cube. Applying the formula a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b whole into a square plus ab. Here a means 4x, b means here 5y. A square plus ab plus b square. Now final answer is number 1, second part. Let us go number 2. Okay. Question number 2 I am doing. The chapter factorization from the book M.L. Agarwal for class 9, exercise 4.5. See the question number 2, first part. The question given like this: 64x cube plus 1. 64x cube plus 1 given. 64x cube, this is 4x whole cube and this is 1 whole cube. A cube plus b cube factorization formula you have to apply here. That means a plus b 4x plus 1 a square, that is 4x whole square minus ab 4x into 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay, a cube plus b cube factorization formula is a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. Now tell me 4x plus 1, this is nothing but 16x square minus 4x plus 1. This is the answer of number 2, first part. Now see number 2, second part, the factorization chapter. Second part given 7a cube plus 56b cube. 7a cube plus 56b cube. Here 7a cube plus 56b cube, we have to take 7 common first. After taking 7 common, what is left here? A cube left, that means a whole cube. And what is left here? 8b cube, that is 2b whole cube. Directly I am doing here. Now the 7 is outside. This is a plus b, that is a plus 2b whole into a square minus ab, a into 2b plus b square. Okay, the final answer is 7 whole into a plus 2b, and this is a square minus 2ab plus 4b square. This is the answer of number 2 second bar just to see. Question is 7a cube plus 56b cube. First you have to see 7 can be taken common from the both two. After taking common 7, what is left here? A whole cube, and here 8 left 8b cube, that is 2b whole cube. A cube plus b cube factorial formula is what? A plus b whole into a square minus a into b plus b square. After that you are getting the final result of number 2 second part. Okay, just see number 3. Next time with number 3. See the question number 3 first part. Question given x to the power 6 by 343 343 plus 343 by x to the power 6. Now tell me x square by 7 whole cube, yes or no? This will be x square by 7 whole cube, and this will be 7 by x square whole cube. Applying the formula a cube plus b cube, same as usual before, that is a plus b whole into a square, means x square by 7 whole square, a square minus ab, that is x square by 7 into 7 by x square plus b square, that is 7 by x square whole square. Now tell me the answer. This is x square by 7 plus 7 by x square. This part will be x to the power 4, 7 square means 49 minus this cancel 1 plus 49 by x to the power 4. This is the answer of number 3 first part I have done. Okay, number 3 first part. Just see next number 3 second part. Next question I am doing from book exercise 4.5 available book factorization chapter 6 first part. Question given like this: a cube plus b cube plus a plus b cube. Just to see here, to make it one group here, a plus b one make one group and a cube plus b cube make another group. Now you apply here a cube plus b cube factorization formula. You apply here. What is that? That will be a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. And last it is given a plus b. Keep it like this. Now how much you have to take common? A plus b can be taken common. After taking a plus b common, what is left here? Just to see a square minus ab plus b square, and here taken common, that is 1 left. The final answer is that only, a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square plus 1. This is the answer of number 6 first part. Okay, just see what is given here: a cube plus b cube plus a plus. We have to make it group. This is one group, this is another group. You have to apply here a cube plus b cube formula. A plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. Last keep it a plus b here. After that you have to take a plus b common. Then this part is left here plus 1 left. This is the final answer. Let us see number second part. See the question number 6 second part. Question given like a cube minus b cube minus a plus given. You have to make it group here. How to make group here? Just see here. A cube minus b cube, make one group here. Another take minus common. This will be a minus b. This is another group. Here you have to apply a cube minus b cube. That will be a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. And last it is given minus a minus b. Take a minus b common. This a minus b taken common. After that, what is left here? Just see a square plus ab plus b square minus 1. This is the answer of number 6 second part. Just go next one. See the question number 7 I am taken from the book available chapter name is factorization exercise 4.5. See the question: x cube plus x plus 2. How to factor this one? See, you have to apply the technique here. You have to break these two. You have to break these two. Okay. How to break that to see here. Very carefully you have to follow here. Right here x cube plus 1. You make it one group here. And here you break like x plus 1. The 2 is there. I am writing here 1 and here 1. Because here x cube plus 1 cube I can apply here. That is a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square, and last it is given x plus 1. Next you have to take x plus 1 common. After taking x plus 1 common, what is left? That is c. X square minus x plus 1, and here plus also 1 left. The final answer will be x plus 1, and this is x square minus x plus 2. This is the answer of number 7 first part. Just to see very carefully, the given x cube plus x plus 2. Okay, and you have to make it group. X cube plus 1 group, and x plus 1 another group. Because you have to apply here a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. This expression it is done. After that x plus 1 taken common. Next what is left? X square minus x plus 1, here 1 plus 1 2. This is the final answer of number 7 first part. Let us go next part. See the question. Here given x to the power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8 given. How to do this one? See, first of all you see this can be factorized by middle term breaking. Multiplication minus 8, addition minus 7. And how to do this one? Let's see. That is minus 8x cube plus 1x cube means x cube. And minus 8. From the first two you have to take x cube common. What left here? X cube minus 8. From the last two I have to take 1 common, that is x cube minus 8. Now x cube minus 8 taken common. What left here? X cube plus 1. Now see, here you have to apply x cube minus 2 cube. The formula will be x minus 2 whole into x square minus a plus ab, that is 2x plus b square, that is plus 4. And last one it can be break x cube plus 1 cube, that is x plus 1 whole into x square minus x into 1, that is x plus 1. Okay, next I am writing in proper manner, that is x minus 2 x plus 1 next x square plus 2x plus 4 or whole into x square minus x plus 1. This is the answer of number 13 second part, and this last part of this exercise 4.5. Okay, try to complete the remaining part of the exercise 4.5 applying the formula. Okay, this is the question you have to break by middle term breaking. Multiplication minus 8, addition minus 7. You have to select the two numbers whose multiplication will be minus 8, addition will be minus 7. The numbers are minus 8 and plus 1. I will written like that. From the first two I have to take common x cube minus 8 left. Here I have to take 1 common, that is x cube minus 8 left. You have to take common x cube minus 8 and left x cube left and plus 1 left. 8 means 2 whole cube, x cube minus 2 cube. The formula will be x minus 2 whole into x square plus a into b minus 2x plus b square, that is 2 square 4. And this can be factorized like this: x cube plus 1 cube, that will be a cube plus b cube. A plus b means x plus 1 whole into x square minus x into 1, that is x plus 1 square, that is 1. Okay, now just I have arranged here. Okay, thank you for today's class. Next we will continue this chapter.